How often should the S34 intake be cleaned and how? Well, definitely with our cleaning kit, which we sell on our website. And that includes the materials you need to clean and refresh the filter as well as the instructions. Um, I think we would say like every 30,000 miles, maybe every like 2 or 3 oil changes. But it really depends on where you're driving. If you live on down a dirt road, um, or like you live in a city that has a lot of haboobs, you're definitely going to want to clean that more often than if you live in a nice clean
Non-dusty.
concrete jungle type environment. So yeah, it depends. I think for the average person, yeah, maybe like once a year, uh,
Yeah.
something. Certainly, if you see like a lot of debris and leaves and sticks and
Yeah, if it's a forest caked around your
acorns,
probably
lodged in the pleats of your filter, then it's definitely time to get in there and do something.
Yeah.